Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're joining another high potential airdrop called HUMA Finance. I'll guide you step by step on how to join and what to do, so it's gonna be an interesting video. HUMA Finance is the first PayFi network offering instant global liquidity. It's a lending protocol for borrowing against future income with credit lines and decentralized tools. The most hyped thing about this project is they've raised $46.3 million in funding, and it's marked as a confirmed airdrop. If you look at their investors, as you can see, some top tier 1, 2, 3 investors are backing them. So it's great. If you visit their X handle, as you can see, they've around 120k followers at the time of making this video. And they're really active here to build a strong community, which is another great sign. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. Now to join this airdrop, you must have USDC in your Solana wallet. So for example, the quickest way is to convert it if you have Solana in your Phantom wallet. To convert, click swap here. Put your Solana amount, for example. I'll put 50%, which is around $5.74 USDC. Now click swap. So now we're set to join the airdrop. As you can see, the USDC is swapped in my account. Now to join this airdrop, you need to visit this page. I'll provide the joining link in the description, so check it out. First, you need to connect your wallet. I recommend using Phantom wallet. Then connect your wallet and confirm. Now it asks for a referral code, so you can use my referral code. I'll provide it in the description. Then click submit and done. Now here, as you can see, there are two options, Classic and Maxi. So what does that mean? Classic mode, get a steady 10.5% USDC profit yearly plus some HUMA Feathers, safe and reliable. Maxi mode, no USDC profit but earn tons of HUMA Feathers, 25x more feathers during launch, risky but big rewards. For example, I'll put 2 USDC in Classic, which locked up for 3 months gives 0.20 feathers per day, and for 6 months it gives 0.33 feathers. So here I lock for 3 months. Agree to the terms, click deposit. And it's done. Now in Maxi, if I put 3 USDC, then I'll receive 1.5 feathers per day. For 6 months, I'll receive 2.5 feathers per day. Deposit and confirm. If you want to play safe, you can use the no lockup option, which lets you withdraw your money anytime. In the portfolio section, as you can see, you'll see all your details. Here in the PST section, you can see your Maxi balance and withdraw with Jupiter Exchange. Finally, you can share your referral link with friends to earn more feathers. So that's all for this video. I'll give you all the updates, so make sure to join our Telegram channel. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.